Sir, now the next data type, the most commonly used data type in Python is range data type, sir. What is that? Range data type. A range of numbers. I want to represent numbers from 0 to 10. So if you want to represent a sequence of numbers, a range of numbers, then we have to go for range data type. Range data type objects are very simple. Range is the Python inbuilt data type. So can you please represent range of first 10 numbers? It represents a sequence of values from 0 to please confirm 0 to 9. If you want to represent, sir, a sequence of numbers from 0 to 9, yes, sir, this is the way, sir. If you want to represent a sequence of numbers, a range of numbers, then we have to go for what? Range data type. So if you want to represent a range of numbers from begin to end, then we have to go for form 2. Okay, any explanation is required? Clear, right? So form 1 and form 2. Next, observe carefully. For form 1, how many arguments we passed? Respond. For form 1, how many arguments we passed? 1. But form 2, how many arguments we are passing? 2 arguments, right? Next, obviously, for form 3, how many arguments we have to pass? For form 3, how many arguments we have to pass? 3 arguments, right? Okay, perfect. Okay, have a look once. Here, form 3, I'm taking, sir. What is that? Is range of begin, end. Third one, increment or decrement value. Increment or decrement value. Increment or decrement value. Begin, end, increment or decrement value. Like this, right? Sir, what it means? How much increment you want? Just with example I will explain so that you will get much clarity.